Oral and written names for numbers. Two-digit number names. When connecting base 10 concepts with the oral language, use as much base 10 language as possible. Example, rather than saying that there are 24 crayons, say that there are 2 10s and 4 1s. Three-digit number names. After students have mastered two-digit number names, introduce three-digit number names. So it'd be the same thing. And if you had 130 crayons, you might say, I have 100s, 3 10s, and so on. Students need to fully grasp oral and written names. Research shows that students struggle more with four-digit number names. Allow students time to master the skills. Written symbols. Place value mats help promote a better way to understand the concept. Every classroom should have these, and it's easy for students just to put each of their pieces right on this mat, and they can just wipe it off and start again with each new activity. Assessing place value concepts. Students need to be assessed to ensure they understand the material. A way of assessing them is diagnostic interview, or also known as digit correspondence tasks. This consists of 5 things. Number 1 is single numeral. Number 2, position names. Number 3, face value. Number 4, transition to place value. And 5, full understanding.